I may not be able to meet you in person, but I feel privileged to learn about your brave sacrifices and contributions to our Filipino peoples. Your writings have touched my heart, and I am deeply moved by the faith and trust you have instilled in future generations. However, as I observe the younger generations today, I feel a sense of shame. You place your trust and hope in us, but we have fallen far short of your expectations. We are deeply ashamed of what we have become. We grew up influenced by foreign nations instead of embracing our own culture. From clothing and food to music and values, we have failed to honor our roots, yet we welcome outside influences with open arms. Instead of focusing on our education, we have become sidetracked by superficial distractions. We remain silent in the face of the injustice our fellow Filipinos have faced and turn a blind eye to the pervasive corruptions around us. The selfishness you once demonstrated is rarely seen in today's generation. And for that, I am deeply ashamed. The love and respect for our country, for which you bravely fought and sacrificed, seem to be diminishing among us. I am one of the future generations you place your trust in. And while I cannot provide a valid excuse for our shortcomings, I hope you can understand, and we are now facing different battles and struggles. And this is how we cope and adjust to the harsh world we live in. While I am ashamed to our present state, I do not regret my choices and decisions. Magdaan ang pag-asa naman.